Good morning, everybody. Do you know what time it is? It's time for my 6.5-year Pontiac update video. Welcome to watch. On one hand, not much had happened. On the other hand, a lot of other stuff had happened.
Hello, I wanna start this video where I ended it the last time I made an update. Yes, now all clips are there behind that trim, and it's all painted behind here. And you see there's a better surface now than it were before. And now the trunk is painted again. Och en minipåse med Irens bilar. This is the situation now. It has been leaking along this side of the trunk, so the rubber must get a little bit higher up here on this side. Now Mr. Chief is in the front seat of the car, and this is why. 5 years ago I painted this, and now it needs some repainting, and this needs some cleaning too. Now the trim is back and it's finally all painted. The spray bottle is nearly empty. I still have an issue with water coming into my car, and now it's in the front. Me and my neighbor there, we have tried to figure out where the water comes in. And I always have to invent something, don't I? Well, there it is. Time to create something. Underneath the hood I have other issues. The distributor is a mess. I'm on my way to a car shop to pick up my car. It had a very serious distributor issue. We are going home. Yeah, I have start issues, so I need some gas. Start gas. It smells good too. There are some important pieces here between the carburetor and the transmission that are missing. Instead of replacing electricity and try to put in a small block here, another flatty, which could tell that the motor is too far gone, is the issue I had with the fuel pump a few years ago when that metal arm was broken. Could be because things in the car, the stuff in there is so old now that the motor will not live for long. But if that is not the problem, I will give this motor a great chance, because it had fired up, it had run sometimes very well. A bigger fuel filter would be a great idea, and let the car shop have a look at the carburetor. So I know another car shop that I will connect for that. This is the main problem. The linkage is missing, so the carburetor gives too much gas into the motor, and it goes down into the motor. If these two are well connected with each other, I will not have that problem. So I will get these parts as soon as I can from America. So I want to see this from the positive point of view. To be honest, I don't think I have an issue with the start motor. The wiring between the generator and the coil is very old and it's not looking good, and the other wire I have already prepared one wire to replace that. The motor is coughing and I'm driving it. I know I'd have been parked in a barn for some years, and I have parked it outdoor here for 6 years, and I guess there could possibly be a lot of water still in the tank, and even some crap down there. I think it would be a good idea to clean that old gas tank very properly. Now we have new parking rules which gives me a parking issue. Thursdays I cannot park here, so I must move the car over there. I must fire it up, and sometimes it will not when it's very cold or... Thankfully I have great neighbors, fantastic people who are supporting me. Either they help me with the start gas or help me pull the car over there and back to this parking spot. I have a great support. I hope I will get a garage after all these years. Let's go down and check my car outside. And this is the parking spot now on the road, but that is about to change. I'm not sure if there is enough Pontiac space here. No, it's there in the garage. And neighbor support by Thomas. It's so nice. Not much space there, but doesn't matter. We're gonna figure that out, me and my neighbors, somehow. It was worth waiting for 6 years. Wow, I'm so happy. It's absolutely smooth that I have hot water here when I'm cleaning, and electricity to reload my battery. I'm going to need these shells and put stuff there which belong to the car. This is my basement, and this is where I keep all car parts and tools that I not use regularly. So I want to decorate my garage with some spare parts I have and hubcaps, and put all the stuff I need for my car there instead. And I can use this for something else. Well, this is my Pontiac artwork in my garage with the parts and tools and the stuff I need. Some tools I have at home are now going into the garage. And here we are, both cars. Snow and Happy New Year! I have ordered two new filters. I need another one for spare and one that I can put in the car. Wow, a packet from Dahlem! And it's the fuel filter. It's very much bigger. The hole, I don't think it's that much wider, shorter, easier. I don't know. Do you wanna subscribe to my channel? Please? Please subscribe to my channel. Hello? Hello? Subscribe to my channel. Please. I need more views. More subscribe. Click the like button. Then I get more views. Now when I have a safe garage, I have less stress and I can focus rather easier on stuff I want to do with the car. So now it's nearly bedtime, isn't it? My neighbor have chosen to sleep on my bed. So I guess I have to sleep on the couch again. Good night.